Kumshi benta ban Kyntiew bat penpau perthei ya kajing Pynmih ya Sohliya Khubor menta kasngi artarik jemang ke Meghalaya Age Limited hakajing snok tilang ketenat jengokai bat ketenat karap karyang jo Khubor kila penlong ya ke Strawberry Festival hajar arpusan ba sngi lenter hakilai tiri ki district Kyntiew ya ke Khubor district East Khasi Hills bat West Garo Hills. Haka Tamasa bala sedang menta kasngi hari Khubor district la penlong ya kani ke Tamasa haka Shillong Sohliya haka ba Deputy Commissioner Khubor ulawan banpli ya kani ke Tamasa kum ukongsan haka jingadan langru u pranjal data District Horticulture Officer jong ka Khubor uba olengkhoi rang ba Shillong ke Sohliya lambat kiwe kihe officer. Ya kani ke Tamasa Strawberry la penlong haka Shillong Sohliya Khubor district haka Shillong Sintung East Khasi Hills but haka Shillong direct Chigre jong ka West Garo Hills.
Khubor ba yaki kam di barapa badade na ka benta ka Sohliya badna ka benta ka jelahi bro ko we hak kam bentung ya Strawberry.
And the foremost credit to that, if it goes to anyone, it is Baos. So I congratulate Baos, I congratulate government of Meghalaya also, but primarily Baos, that how perseverance and the effort of one person can actually change the landscape of entire district. There could not be any better example than this. So again, good afternoon to everyone. It's my honor and privilege to be present amongst you all and to be able to inaugurate the beautiful strawberry festival in this Sohliya village. This is my first visit to Sohliya village as well. Strawberry production, as has already been detailed by our DHO, is one of the most profitable venture that any farmer can adopt. The conditions are also suitable. As I was discussing with Baos, planting materials are of urgent requirement over here. I, as Deputy Commissioner of the district, along with our horticulture officer, will try and see how the needs of the farmer can be met in a better manner. I apologize for the delay, but then there was some urgent matter that had to be taken care of. There was a VC which was planned urgently by Honorable CM Sir. So that's why I got delayed in coming here. But I can see the beautiful stalls that have come up. I congratulate the organizers. I wish the organizers the very best for organizing this festival. And I hope that strawberry cultivation is something that, Sohliya village continues to inspire all the villages around, and from district administration and from horticulture office and from government of Meghalaya, whatever role we can play in realizing their aspirations, we would be very happy to do that. Thank you. With these words, I'd like to rest my speech. Thank you for having me here, Khubor, and have a wonderful, wonderful Strawberry Festival 2025. Thank you, Khubor.
plum,
Apple,
guava. This is from Umti village. This is the village. This is the village. Okay, this is very well. Okay, so this is wine.
strawberry juice.
This is also strawberry wine. Okay, 3 different types of bottling wine.
It's
Different colors.
difficult to get the bottle. That's why.
Okay, and this is scotch
Strawberry juice.
juice. Okay, and what is